What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. In today's video, we will be installing a new clutch line in my 2017 Ford Focus RS. I went ahead and ordered a Clutch Master stainless steel. It seems like it's going to be a pretty simple install. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and get started. Alright, you guys, so here it is. We got some stickers and probably some installation instructions, which I don't need. I already know how to do it. And there it is. Trying to open this with one hand. Let me grab my knife. Alright guys, and there it is. Solid upgrade from the stock clutch line. Essentially, the stock clutch line does have a resistor in it, so this is getting rid of it. So that's the main reason why I'm switching to it. And plus, it's stainless steel compared to rubber, so it's going to take a lot more pressure and overall a lot more resistant from factory. So it's a good upgrade, pretty cheap. I believe I picked it up for right around 25 bucks. So hopefully it holds up. It has both fittings right there. It's just two clips, two little cotter pins that holds it in, and it's really that simple. Alright guys, as you see, I do have the smaller battery conversion kit. This is a Mele box. Check them out. Great product with an Odyssey battery, but we do have to take it out. It can be a little bit of a pain in the ass to take in and out, but unfortunately it's a little bit tight of a fit to get in the back for the clutch line, so we're just going to take it out. It's going to be so much easier to take out the battery. It's simply two 10mm bolts, and then I'll show you how to take out the rest of the Mele box. Also, the intake is going to have to be removed to make life a little easier for us. So let's go ahead and remove that intake while we're at it. Alright you guys, so the intake came out pretty simple. Let's see how easy the battery is to take off. Let's not loosen this too much. And for this Mele box, there's a pin over the door. You just simply pull it out. That's what it looks like. You grab the battery, pull it out. So inside of the box there is 1 and 2 nuts, and then a Torx over here. There should be a third nut on the bottom, but unfortunately the stud on the plate in the bottom did fall off. So let's go ahead and remove those. I believe they are 10mm. So 1, 2, and as you see, there's a T25 right down there. I'm trying to focus right at the end of my finger. Let's take the impact. So everything is disconnected. However, the battery door is still secure to the box. As you see, it moves around freely. And sorry for the focus. Right over here, there's a T25, another T25 right there, held on by a simple nut on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. Alright guys, so right down there is where the clutch line goes, where my finger was at. And if we follow it, it goes into the back of the engine bay over here by the firewall. Pretty easy. Takes about 10 minutes to do, literally. Let's get started. Alright guys, those are the clips that hold the clutch line in place. This is my tool of choice that I use to remove them. You simply press them up from the back, and then once it's pressed up enough, you use the pick and pull it forward. They come out pretty easy. It took me about 2 minutes to remove both of them. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the stock clutch line. and we are upgrading it to a stainless steel one.
Alright you guys, so now that the clutch line is installed, it is time to go ahead and bleed the clutch. I do have a bleeding contraption. It's just simply a vacuum that you pump, and it will draw brake fluid, clutch fluid, .4 fluid through the line. It's necessary to bleed it, of course, because we did switch out the line, so we don't want to go ahead and use it when it needs to be bled. Otherwise we will have air in the lines, and that's no bueno. The other thing after that, we will go ahead and reassemble the battery box, and pretty much the install will be complete from there. Let's get to it.
Alright guys, so to bleed it, you simply unscrew this nozzle, and you can either do it by pumping the clutch or do it the way that I do it with a vacuum. It works much better with a vacuum in my opinion. Get in here. I think that's about done. Just a few little bubbles. Can you see the bubbles on the screen?
A little bit. It's a little too bright. Focus on it a little bit. There we go. There it goes. There you can see it. Got a tiny one coming out.
That's about it, huh?
Seems it.
Oh,
Got a couple.
Record the canister. So pretty much it drains into this canister. You want to make sure that the canister doesn't get full and get into your actual vacuum source. See any more, Bella?
Seems pretty good. I think seems like it's getting full pretty fast.
So I just released the vacuum. Let's tighten this up. Alright, go ahead and tighten that up. Alright, so the clutch is bled. Now it's just time to put the battery box back in, and that's a wrap. Alright guys, everything is now put back together. We got the intake in, we got the battery box in, everything is good to go. Clutch is bled properly, plenty of pressure. We shouldn't have any issues.
Alright you guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Another successful install. We installed a Clutch Master stainless steel line. It should be a pretty big improvement, a better driving experience, hopefully. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.